Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tax invoice in Tally. First, ensure your Tally Prime software is open and ready. You will need to enable the Goods and Services tax features within your company settings. This crucial step ensures Tally can correctly calculate and apply taxes. Next, either create a new company or select an existing one to begin setting up your ledgers for sales and taxes. Now, let's configure your sales ledger. From the gateway of Tally, go to Create and then select Ledger. Name this ledger Sales and ensure you group it under Sales Accounts. This classification is vital for accurate reporting. Remember to enable the Goods and Services tax applicability for this ledger and specify the appropriate details, such as the type of supply, to ensure correct tax calculations. Setting up your tax ledgers is the next step. You will need to create individual ledgers for Central Goods and Services Tax, State Goods and Services Tax, and Integrated Goods and Services Tax. Group all these tax ledgers under Duties and Taxes. When configuring each, specify the type of duty or tax as Goods and Services Tax and select the appropriate tax type, such as Central Tax or State Tax, for accurate application. Finally, let's generate your tax invoice. From the gateway of Tally, navigate to Vouchers and select the sales voucher type. Input all necessary customer details, including their Goods and Services tax identification number, and then add the item information, including quantities and rates. Apply your sales ledger and then the relevant tax ledgers, like Central Goods and Services Tax and State Goods and Services Tax, to finalize the invoice.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.